Alright. I say respect with the upon corner. Chilling on 2nd Avenue. We say respect Mad Binox Saturday Canada. Same way still Zimbabwe. Them can't stop me from no matter how them a try. Me give them something, some them a fit talk about me and so fit the money and me give them new style. What you say? Me say me give them new style, so we never the batty, can't start with the batty. Let them know I say a serious gangster team. When you see me with Mad Binox, no boy can chat it. Bumbo clad, respect same way.
Big up military SK. Afghanistan crew.
Alright, listen this. Okay, with the right sitting, me want okay with the tie sitting. I ride it like a bicycle. At this time, no be a bit tricycle. Me big black and Vienna. Touch as you pass, I should be up. I me suit up and gear up. Me do what I get, gear up. Listen this. You're best up on the bed for me. You're best up on the bed for me. You're best up on the bed for me. Begging up and up a leg for me. Yes. Everybody good, plus a good. You no longer shop battle of tech, broco. Girl, when permitting like a shoot. Me lucky open on me was like a cook. Shake it and go on. Broke out and break it and go on. You know see them girl, them too calm. But you a kick like a ranging stamp. Bambokla, listen this. Must say true, true and me a the man. Me fly enough for them off it it on. Go watch me leader make some fasika along because them off it be at the but them no half of a man. Woo! Girl I just said them a yam. Say them a put fierce and waste the land. Them chase like chasey and some pop don't praise me from me realize them only but in a song. Ironic, just because them say more psychotic. We plan the business like a coming, shut it down like a planet. Them can stand it. Feel on the place, me and them are planning. Tell them shut them out, them chatting shit. From overseas, me get a go and that's a chatter go on. So me say alright then matter go on. Anyway, them stand up bamba club. Me say big up Mad Binox. Same way we there upon the corner.
Yes, sir.
Smoking marijuana. Drinking at the same time.
Yeah. Tell us something.
Yes,
military SK.
Yes, I am.
We inspire you to sing.
Yeah, it's all about the Caligad, as you can see.
Caligad Movado.
Yeah, man. Big up, respect me, Daddy Movado, same way. Out of there, Gully side, me represent still. I say, big up all the man they come from Jamaica, who come from Gully, same way still.
And where you there right now?
Yes, I'm in there, part 2nd Avenue, chilling with Mad Binox, Silverstone, them should know.
Mbare
with there.
Zimbabwe, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chilling with our elders.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them never sell out. Them represent me same way. So, me not back up for me crew. Me not run. If me could have won, if you want to the end, me not run left me friends. Yes, sir. Big up. The same way the conscience.
So, when did you start singing?
Start singing. I started singing, it was 1999.
1999.
That
okay.
was the day that
did you sing on a sound system?
Yeah.
Which sound system?
Silverstone was there to represent all the ghetto youths there. Big up Mad Binox and Jackie Bill was there part still. Remember, big up Jackie
so, if the people want to contact you, do you have a number?
Yeah, man. We've got the contact, but right now they have to link up with Mad Binox. Okay, the man under is the man background of the camera, see? Yeah, man, behind the scene.
Do you have a Facebook page?
Yeah, man, Military SK.
Alright, we'll put it on the Facebook page and they can link you up on that one.
Yeah, man.
Scene.
Same way.
Yeah, man, blessed love.
Another man.
Yeah, man. One love.
Listen. Them mix up them music like them mixing on the water the jelly. Them claims that them fit, claims that them bad. Tell them that's for if you done. A long time them take me for fool. Gangster was stamina fear any fool. If you test me, you kick the back, it never lose them ugly.
Yes, sir.
One
love.
Listen, I want to post another.
Guy away.
Me don't know which one because all of me song them good.
I want to see the album, guy.
Yeah, man, album is there, part.
Just a little piece. One more.
Alright. Listen this. Me no worry about them. Them feel worry about I. Me no care and me no tolerate. Something that is out of my mind. Something that is out of control. Yes, me I'm innocent. Listen this. Afghanstan crew. The hypocrites and the parasites. I try to feel motion in my life. I see me making money every day. This is something Babylon and them not like it. So blessings and rich for me. Jaja blessings and rich for me. Informers and backbiters. Me tell them if you kick them with a kid and boot. And when me have to rise, me have to rise, me have to rise. We make money every day in the ghetto. Me tell them informer, them for that them feel no. Them can't stop me time fi shine. Me tell them say, some people fi think like a dem a gorilla. Yes, me spend the money ghetto a seller. You are.
Tell us some. I saw your video with Rocky. Yeah, how did that combination come about?
Yeah, man. Rocky is my brother to the fullest.
Since
yes, Rocky lift me up.
So where do you live?
I live on Waterfalls, but right now, me stay down here in a ghetto, the place where me born. Me represent ghetto to the fullest. But right now, me stay on Waterfalls. But anyway, me respect the man them who come from Waterfalls.
How old are you?
And now I'm old, 28.
28 years. Wicked. Wicked.
Still surviving.
Yeah, man, respect.
Where we live.
Respect. You don't know we're going to post this on YouTube, you know that?
Yeah, man.
Put it on YouTube.
Yeah, man, I think.
All right.
To put those things out there.
You want to pick up anybody?
Yeah, man. Out there in UK, me say big up the Hwezha Wanga. Yeah, man. Me brother to another mother from Blackamo T-shirt company. I say big up me brother, same way, Mad Binox. Sometimes you be also there found from Canada, but him the brother from another mother here in Zimbabwe, Mbare him represent the same way.
Yes,
and
sir.
Say big up me brother Ricky Naine from Master Sound Selector. You see, him the one who play pan DX. Sometimes it's me DJ Sky, Skywalker, Sky Jacko, say blessed the fullest. And also Trio the video editor, video shooter, respect same way, and Romeo Keda, him behind the scenes same way.
Alright, blessed.
To the fullest.
One love. SK to the fullest.
Yeah. It was on Saturday when I met this beautiful girl, she was passing my way. Me tell you with a nice big boot, wearing nice plastic shoes. I say, you are the woman that I need. Me feel love you, girl. I'll give you everything you need. She told me that she's going to the market, walking in a stomach, carry something in the basket. I say, marvelous. She is the woman that I need, the woman that I love so. Marvelous. You are the woman that I need, woman that I love. Oh, yes, I please bless her.
One love, man. One love. Bless.
Bless up every man who respects Afghanstan crew to the fullest.
Yeah, man. Afghanstan crew to the fullest.
Afghanstan crew, we don't fear any food.
Peace and love.